you people?
Musa, it's okay. It's okay.
Which people are chasing you? Why are you running?
Ask your son because he started it.
Why were you running? Who is after you?
Some boys are chasing me.
Who are they? Who is after?
Mama, I don't know. I don't know why they are chasing me. They are all dressed in black and black, carrying long machetes and guns with axes. Do Fulani people wear black and black? Papa, how will I know?
You sure it's not those environmental miscreants looking for who to kill? Onoche, black and black, chasing you. Are you sure you have not joined court?
Mama, how can I join secret court?
What is them?
Mama, I have not spoiled now. Hey, Papa. Onoche, shut up. Are you trying to deny an obvious fact?
Yes, shut up.
Listen to me. In fact, if you don't take your time, I will lose my temper on you. Something that is obvious. How can those people just wear black and black and come here to pursue you? So, Papa, if your son go outside and people start pursuing him, he will run for his life. I will run for my life. Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! Musa will run for his life. Will you go far? Oga!
Listen, I suspect one of you.
Don't worry.
And I say it's a criminal. What's the
Onoche, you, Musa, Onoche in this house, I will deal with both of you. I will deal with both of you.
What is wrong with this Musa?
This man, Musa, he's giving me a lot of headache in this house.
Is he okay? Where is he?
I don't know. Don't worry, I will take care of it. Musa! Musa! This man can be at one place at a time.
I hear, please, Oga. What's wrong?
I'm greatly disappointed in you. So you intentionally exposed my family and myself to unnecessary danger. I never knew you were such a coward. Eh? Rather than stay here to protect us, you were running helter-skelter. You must be sacked.
What is this?
You must be sacked.
Oga, please. He never reached there. Listen, mother, let me start from you. The question you asked, why is this a while left? You see, the happened is that Oga, I reminded me my name. The time I was in Barak, in Nigerian Armed Forces. In Quantiro, I was there. But then 20. Understand? This is why when you call me coward, I was taking care of cow. This is a cow word. The word is cow in the word. So listen, don't mind me. I am a Gerarded somebody. Never want to take something and tell her. You see, Ugabelis, I'm very sorry for misunderstanding me. Madam, I was there. I heard a very loud nation. I thought it's coming out. I said, like, first of all, let me go inside and protection two of me. Because it is my duty as the job security of this compound to make sure that I'm protection two of me. Understand? But after I was coming, I saw Uga. Uga was running. As I was running inside, I was going. I said, what is, I want to stop me. Stand here. Sure. I stopped. Because I am a man in control.
Did you run outside?
I didn't run outside. I ran inside. Musa is confused. He's confused. He doesn't know.
The problem is that there is a run. Uga, I am confused. I said, I stop because maybe my brain is commoting. I said, so please.
Musa, listen to me. This is not the first time you are doing this type of thing. In fact, you must be sacked.
Listen, me and you have come a very wide. For a long time I was here protection you. Listen, so hearken to the voice of Madam. I am very
sacked. No, he must be sacked. No.
Oh, honey, please wait. Pardon him and give him a second chance. I beg of you.
That matter is very important, please. Please, beg me.
Just thank your stars. If not because I love my wife very much, I would have had you sacked.
I need Panadol because my head is going somewhere. Give me Panadol, please. Kokwa, I can add basic inside. I beg you. I want to give you something that will make you go second.
Idiot! Stand up and live here.
Please, Uga.
Live here. Imagine.
Sorry, Uga. Sorry.
Hey,
don't.
This
man is giving me a lot of headache in this house. Well, I just think it is wise that we should sit down and discuss
before we go and sleep. As the head of this family, I believe it is important that we sit down and discuss so that we ensure peace and stability of the family. This goes to the children. Number one, you must respect and obey your parents in keeping with biblical injunctions. Two, you must do your house chores. Number three, you must not bring your friends into this house so that they will not distract your attention. And finally, you must read your books and
what, Papa? Papa, and what? Are we slaves? Papa, are we slaves in this house? Why are you trying to enslave us by restricting our freedom of movement and association? Papa, I don't like it though. It's not right.
Dad, what Onoche said is true. You should allow us to mix with people out there and enjoy ourselves. Moreover, we are in the jet age. What's all this?
My husband, the children are right. You have to allow them mix up with other people. You don't need to restrict them. See, allowing their friends to come visit them, it will enable us know the kind of friends our children are keeping. If they don't mix up with people, do you want them to become zombies? That's not right too. It's not right.
as the head of this family, I have spoken.
Daddy, it will not work.
Mom, you have seen the kind of husband you are married to. Come on.
Mom, you should...
Hey, Tisha, keep quiet. I'll see what I'll do about it. What's all this? You want to get out there, mommy? Alright, get out. You get out.
Olama, where are you going this early morning?
Dad, good morning.
Good morning, my daughter.
I'm going for lectures and I'm running late already, so let me go.
It's all right. But remember to finish your lectures quickly and come back. In keeping to our new house rules, listen to me carefully. I don't want you to break any one of them.
I've heard you, sir. I'll try my best. Bye.
It's all right. I wish you a safe journey. Oh?
Thank you, Dad.
Bye-bye.
Cheerful. What is the matter? What is wrong with you?
My dear, my father again. Seriously, I don't know.
What is it?
Nene, do you know he warned us not to bring our friends to the house again? Oh, else we face severe consequences. I don't know, honestly, I don't know what's happening. Oh God. I'm perturbed. Seriously, I don't know what to do. I'm not, this is not me again. I'm just, I don't know.
Relax, cheer up, okay? You know, what you need to do is just to calm down. Calm down, okay? I don't want anything to start bothering you. Just relax. Calm down, you are my good friend. I need you to be free, okay? Alright? I'll try. Alright, so where are you heading to?
I want to get something down the street.
Wherever you are, make you try to use your brain, no. Whatever you do, don't...
Mama, sit down, please. You're looking cheerless. Is anything the matter? What's the problem, baby? What is it?
Is it Namdi?
Okay, what about Namdi? What happened to Namdi? This one you're crying. Is he okay? What's wrong with him?
I caught him with a girl. Then I confronted him. Namdi slapped me.
What? Wait, Namdi slapped you? Is he mad or something? What's wrong with that guy? Does he take you as a punching bag? Or does he think that your body is a drum that he can beat anyhow? What's wrong with guys of nowadays? God! You know what? Just calm down, okay? It's okay. Calm down. It's okay, calm down.
It's over.
I know.
I don't want him again.
Calm down.
I don't need him.
It's okay.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Looking cheerful. I hope all is well.
Dad, all is not well. How can all be well when you're denying me of my rights in the house? Dad, all is not well, oh. Huh. Eh? You don't even allow me to go out again. I'm no longer comfortable with this. Seriously.
Ola, I don't understand. What are you insinuating?
Dad, you've made my life uncomfortable by preventing my friends from visiting me. Dad, please, come on. I need to go out there. I need to feel free. Try and understand, please. And
what?
Guys, someone watch them! Watch them!
Will you stop that nonsense? Musa, will you stop that nonsense?
Sorry. I never
Listen.
just...
Musa, I'm greatly disappointed in you.
What have I done?
I'm telling you.
Oh,
So you don't know what you did?
you never...
Who brought those rascals into my house to dance?
Rascal.
Rascals!
Am I rascal, you know? Okay, listen. The rascal is not the problem. The problem is that you have given me order to respect the children. What is that, my children, my boy?
Okay, my son. Okay, you mean Onoche?
Yo, Anacha, that's why I got a big baby. I'm a kidding me now.
Wait, you mean that Onoche is a mina?
Big one, okay? Baba! That boy was there, the time warrior. I see me, I go with this small girl. Some people was dancing. Oh, that's I sent him. My niece was going up. I see me, so I did like this. I didn't know where I was telling this big. Stand here! Stand! I said to myself, Kai, stand here. Musa, what is wrong with me? I said, sorry, sir. After I go here, I beg you, please, don't go angry. It's my parent. Understand? When the people that this instruction give me, respect my data, respect my son, or will kill me with my bomb. Understand? That is why I leave me.
Musa, so you are telling me, with all honesty, that it was Onoche who brought in those brood of vipers? Those brood of vipers? Those cockroaches into my house? If possible, shoot them outside.
Okay, thank you for the idea. Listen, let me tell you something. These boys are not security lists. Talking about cockroach, they come with rat and rabbit. Plenty of them. I said that this one that I was very short, small girl. My woman will listen over. Hey, what's your eyes to me? What did you listen? I listened to. I see. I was there. I wanted to kill them. Castadia! And I said, tell her, listen, because of, you know, my friend. That boy is my colleague, but he's the killing me. Very careful. I warn you. Okay? That is why I let her inside.
Okay. So that I will be very careful with him.
Yeah, well.
But listen to me. Those boys are security risks. Especially in this house. Don't you ever allow them. That is an order I'm giving to you. Don't go aside what I've told you. Or you will have a problem with me in this house. Okay? Go back to your duty post.
Listen.
No. Just go back to your duty post. It's alright. I will see what I will do.
The entire was standing a rat because and one of the Nigerian armed forces sure obeys the last order. Wow. Anybody pass here and kill me. Continue everybody here.
Chifo make Chifo make
Hello? Michael, how are you? I'm fine. You want us to come to Port Harcourt again? No, that is not possible. I still remember that the last time we visited, those people could not even take care of our welfare, common welfare. No. They treated us like paupers. Tell them that when they are ready, we will know. But for now, we are not available. Oh yes. Thank you very much. I will hear from you again. Oh, bye. Mbeke. Hey. What type of what dress are you putting on? Eh?
Sir, it was Madam that bought it for me last Christmas.
What? You mean that Madam bought this type of antiquated, awkward and primitive dress for you? Eh? Listen, Mbeke. I want you to always wear fashionable dresses. Dresses that are befitting to you. Dresses that are sexy and very short. Eh?
I'm afraid, though. Sir, I'm afraid. Madam will not allow me to wear such dresses. She warned me. She said I should be wearing big clothes that will cover my hands and my toes. If you go to my back, you see plenty of these clothes. Times 2 of this size that she bought for me. Plenty of it that I've been wearing it. That was what she said I should be wearing. I should dress modestly.
You mean Madam told you all this? Don't worry, I will handle that. By the way, is my lunch ready?
I'm almost through, sir. It will soon be ready.
Please hurry up about that. You see, I'm very hungry. Mbeke.
Sir, where are you, sir?
I'm in the garden. Come over immediately. When is your birthday coming up?
It should be next week Friday, sir.
Next week Friday.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what? I will give you a surprise package. I will buy a lot of birthday gifts for you.
You mean me?
You! Come over. Come. Just come. Don't be afraid. Come. You know that I love you so much. Stand so that I take your examinations. Alright? Just stand erect and drop your hands. Don't shake now. Don't shake. No, show me your back. Stand erect. Don't look at me. Stay quiet so that I get the exact measure. Turn this way again. $25. Yes.
Chifo meka go. Chifo meka go.